Welcome back to this online lecture series for computer science paper 1 and paper 2. Myself Harish Chavan sir. So in this today's lecture we are going to see about the total syllabus of computer science 12th. So as in 11th we have two papers over here. Paper 1 which is of software and paper 2 which is of hardware. In paper 1 we have total 4 topics. First is operating system, in which we learn different calls systems, and we learn also Windows 97, Windows NT and Linux system. Also we learn how information management work, how process management work, how memory management work, its different aspects, etc. etc. The second topic is data structure, which related to formation of different data structures like array, pointer array, linked list, then a tree, binary tree, stack and queue, and operation related to data structures and algorithm concerned with it. The third topic is C++ programming. So we have to study C++ in detail, right from the library of C++ to object oriented programming, including programming with classes, programming with constructor, destructor, then programming using pointers, functions, arrays, etc. etc. And the fourth topic in paper 1 is HTML, which is also a programming language, but in real sense we cannot say it is a programming language. So we are going to design some web pages using HTML code, simple web pages, not interactive web pages we are learning. So we see what is HTML, then its advantages, disadvantages, and then we go for the different tags of HTML like list tag, image tag, anchor tag, table tag, and in last section of the HTML we learn about the scripting using VB. This is all about paper 1. We got 50 marks of this paper 1 on theory and 50 marks for practicals. The second paper is paper 2, which is related to hardware, as earlier I told. So in this year we have 5 topics. The first topic is introduction to microprocessor and organization of 8085. So what is microprocessor, what is its block, what are different blocks used in that microprocessor, what are importance of them, and then we are going to learn the second generation microprocessor 8085 in detail, its pin diagram, its block diagram, different register structure, interest belonging to it in the first topic. The second topic is instruction set and programming of 8085, which is very important topic because the last question number 5 of paper 2, which is asked on this topic, consists of 3 programming questions repeated with 3 programming questions. So totals out of 6 questions we have to solve 2 questions for programming, each carrying 5 marks, so 10 marks for only programming, and other questions are also asked about the instructions, their structure, etc. So very important topic. So we learn program also of 8085, which are important for practical of second paper. The third topic is introduction to Intel 86 family, which is advanced family of 8085. So we learn features of 8086, 80286, 80386, and the well-known Pentium processor. Also we compare them and learn the flag register and internal structure. The fourth topic is introduction to microcontroller, which is similar to microprocessor, but controller consists of a mechanism to handle the control action. So it consists of limited amount of RAM, ROM, then ports built on a single circuit. Okay, and in this topic we are going to learn about the internal structure of 8051, then its features, then advantages of 8051 as well over microprocessor, and as well as application of microcontroller. And the last topic is networking technology. In networking technology we learn what is networking, what are different forms of networking, then different transmission media, wire transmission, wireless transmission, topology, then standards of networking, and in last we are learning about connectivity devices like modem, routers, then hubs and repeaters. So in paper second we have practical on only second topic, that is programming of 8085, and theoretical practicals on networking and technology. So in the next lecture we are actually start with the theoretical topic of paper first, that is operating system. Okay, till then, goodbye.